Young Village Council.
Kesorkan Maklaya kelap menai ke Thmu ban pentrikam ya ka Skul clustering model ban penbej renti ya ka rukom hikai bat ban penduna ya ke jing don jeng Skul ha ke jela kani ke jing Thmu kalarai ha kabalarai ha ke jing lang ban kemipnya ka Thmu ban Pynïasoh lang ya ke Bynta per jeng Skul kata ka lower primary upper primary secondary bat high secondary ha ka we ke Bynta da ke badan palat KHASI hajar sanspak tali Skul ha gajala kejing penkelador ke yat rengkat bat ke National Education Policy ban pentikna ya kejing yat bet bat ban penduna ya kejing sange pulih siteng por jangki kena Skul.
So now what has happened is that in the same place, in the same school, there are different sections. There may be LP school, which is recognized as a different school. UP school is having some different UDICE code. Secondary school is having some different UDICE code because they are getting aids from different schemes. So what this means is that if we merge all these kind of schools, if there is some kind of a merger, and they are supposed to be one school, then our total number of schools will come down drastically. So this is one factor which will help us to consolidate.